Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with the recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, we are making this a beautiful, lovely, vibrant honey coleslaw salad. Stay tuned. Let's get started, guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Now let's take a quick round of the ingredients. You're going to need some grated, chopped, sliced carrots. You're gonna need some red cabbage, black pepper, some salt, mayonnaise, sour cream, and some green or white cabbage. We're also going to need some green apples. So this recipe is really easy. I mean, if you've done coleslaw before, you know it's very easy. You just chop up the raw ingredients, mix it up, and add in your own flavors. The difference is the flavors, honey, you know. So you're just going to mix your cabbages, your carrots, and your apples in there. You're gonna go ahead and season it with some salt and black pepper and mix it all through to make sure that the seasoning is all covered throughout the veggies. Now, I don't know about you, but I absolutely love coleslaw, and I'm always looking for new ways to season or add flavor. You know, I'm always looking for a different flavor to add into the coleslaw. So this time I'm going to use equal amounts of mayonnaise and sour cream. Now, the only problem that I have with coleslaw is always that sour taste from the mayonnaise. So I find that the sour cream kind of mellows it out. I don't know about, it's called sour cream, but to me it's not sour. It's just something that tastes like cream basically. So I can't really taste the sour. I don't know if it's my palate or it's just me, or it's like that. Okay, so sour cream to me just mellows everything, so it just blends with the mayonnaise and it just kind of gives it this creamy, very creamy texture, you know, unlike with only mayonnaise where you get that sour kind of, for me it's like a wet taste instead of creamy. So the sour cream just gives it little honey and it just elevates it. Okay, my new favorite thing right now is sour cream, and you know, when I fall in love with the ingredient, what happens. But then as a collab, I hope you try this recipe, guys. It is so beautiful. Coleslaw is really close to my heart because it's one of the easiest recipes to make, and you can absolutely flavor it however you like. And I hope to see this on your Christmas table, honey. That's it for now. I hope you try the recipe. I hope you love it. Share it with your friends and your family, and enjoy. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you on the next one.